Hello, I am going to show you the connectors which I have. These all are for sale. Let me show you the first one. This is the first connector. Let me zoom a little and show you. We can zoom more. This is the connector which is a Sata connector. This is the point of connection. You can read the name here. If it is of any use to you, you can contact me. Now I will show you the next connector. This is the next connector. It is a SATA to SATA, mini SATA to SATA. So you can see this connector. I'll zoom it for you. This is the opposite side. 1.8 SATA to 2.2 to normal SATA. Okay, now I show you a third connector. This is the third connector. Let me zoom in. This is a SATA connector. The inlet is of this type. Yeah, the inlet is of this type. Let me know if this is of any use to you. Now I have another connector. This is a SATA connector for a IDE laptop type of hard disk. This is for IDE type of laptop hard disk, small ones. Let me zoom it a little for you. These are common for doing recovery of old type of hard disk. Okay, now I will show you another connector. This is another connector wherein you will find that there are multiple pins on one side. There used to be a hard disk in which these pins used to fit. There are certain cards also. There are certain camera cards also in which these pins used to fit, and then they get converted into IDE. So this is a IDE converter. Let me unzoom a little for you. This is a IDE converter hard disk. This is a IDE converter hard disk, and one end there are male pins. Okay. Connector. This comes with flat cables. The flat cable goes here, and the other portion of the flat cable goes to the hard disk. So this is a very useful connector. You don't get it so easily. This is a very useful connector. Let me zoom it and show you. This is one more connector. Let me zoom in. This is the IDE. This has male pins and it fits into a card or a similar type of hard disk. So the card fits inside this. Here is a 5-volt power supply for this connector. I'll show you another connector now. This is another type connector. This is another type of connector where this is meant for 2012 version of Apple laptop models A1465 and A1466 solid state drives too. So let me zoom and show you. So if you need this connector, please let me know. This connector is for Mac Air SSD from 2010-2011 MacBook AI. So this is 6 plus 12 pin bottom side. This is one type of Mac Air SSD connector 2010-11 MacBook AI. These are 6 plus 12 pin. I'll give you a close-up view. Yeah. So you can see the close-up. If you wish to have this connector, you can let me know. This is one more connector. This is a Sata connector. This is meant to recover data from SD cards. This size SD card, and you can put the micro SD card also as an adapter and you can recover data. I'll zoom up and show you. Thank you for watching all the cards. Let me know if I can be of any help to you. I can send the cards to you. The shipping cost will be borne by you and they will be available to you in India in about 2 days time. Thank you very much.